I can recover all the refrigerant that's in there. That's gonna come at a chart, and maybe change the filter dryer, then charge it over 407C. That's still not addressing the leak, and hopefully this the only leak right here. Hopefully this the only leak though at this discharge line. So at least next time for 407C, it's creeping up in cost also, but it'll probably be half the cost of R22. Alright folks, so put a little snoop on there. I mean, it's not snoop. It's new cow gum. As you can see, it's leaking. That's the suction right there. It's them bubbles. Like I say, I'm gonna try to get it. I think that's too big. And I promise if I had to change that valve stem, I'm gonna have to tax. I will have to tax. You gotta remove this disconnect. You gotta go down there to the breaker. You gotta find the power to it. The breaker's not labeled. You gotta hope you find the power. But anyway, we're gonna see if we can tighten it up with this. See how loose it is. Oh, that's real loose, man. And when I don't want to overdo it, I swear, if this thing bursts up out of here or something and lose all the refrigerant, I'm not gonna lose my hand. I lose all the refrigerant, but I ain't gonna hold my hand trying to put no top back on there. So you gotta be very careful though, try not to over tighten it. But I'm just going until I feel it. I think it's good to go. I think that's good enough right there. Like I said, it might be a leak right here, because that's a discharge line. Look at that. Oh yeah. Alright folks, that's why I get paid the big bucks, folks. That's why I get paid the big bucks. Oh, my bad. That's why we get paid the big bucks, folks. See that? It's a neat though. Alright. So like I say, this got a rubber gasket up in here. So that's gonna help out a little bit too. See that? That'll help out. Alright. So I'm gonna tell him I did find a microscopic leak out here at the what's it called, but I'm not gonna charge him for that. I just charge him service fee and the 22. Alright. Like I said, they had these little rubber caps on here. I'm gonna leave them up here just in case next time. Yeah, whenever y'all technicians though, you ever see these right here, if you can find some nice brass caps or something, go ahead and put them on there. I think over time these are cracked too, and when they expand, when they get hot or get loose, if that valve stem ever leak, it's gonna leak right out of there. Yeah, folks, that might work there. I think we did a pretty good job. Had to coordinate that thing, get a crane, all that good stuff. But KP, that's crazy spot for a disconnect, yeah, man. They don't care nothing about us. Them installers don't care